Divide 991 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 9 and it is 49. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 1 and it is 41. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 1. So we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 991 divided by 5 is 198 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.